Ka Civil Hospital Nongpo, bat ke Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpo, gila Rakhe ya ke International Nurses Day, haka kat artari ujemang, ban ken mau burom ya ke sngikha jong ke Florence Nightingale, ke balayo ya ke jing itu, kum ka kemi jong ke nursing, haki artali ke jing alang ke balalong ha Conference Hall, Civil Hospital Nongpo, bat ha Bethany Hospital.
Kum shibenta ban kan mau bat pensa buram ke sngikha jong ke Florence Nightingale, ke balayo anam kum ka kemi jong ke jing shakri nurse. Haka kat artari ujemang arajar arpuar nakaliang ke Civil Hospital Nongpo, bat ke Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpo, gila Rakhe kene ke sngikar pang belatip kum ke International Nurses Day, balapan long ha Conference Hall, Civil Hospital Nongpo, bat ha Bethany Hospital Conference Hall. Hagani kesmi Rakhe kerpang jong ginos lapan ipu ipiang ru daga jengrawai pediang sengubha naki samla pulia jong ke GNM School of Nursing Nongpo, bat gijing syat nagi staff nurse jong ke Civil Hospital Nongpo. Haga jing Rakhe ha Bethany Hospital pat lapan ipu ipiang nagi jengrawai gijing syat nagi staff nurse jong ke Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpo. Bat hagani kesmi la yo ru bansam ki kusnam shkinong job haga poster exhibition bat ke flower arrangement competition. Hagani ke jing Rakhe ha Civil Hospital Nongpo lawan ban pencingan lang do Dr. Pian Khan Medical Superintendent ke Civil Hospital Nongpo. Haga jing don rengkat ikong L Doling Vice Principal ke GNM School of Nursing, EJ Mukim Nursing Superintendent ke Civil Hospital Nongpo, kisamla pulia jong ke GNM School of Nursing Nongpo, bat kiwe ki nong tray jong ke Civil Hospital. Haga jing Rakhe ke negasni kerpang jong kinos ha Bethany Outreach Hospital lawan ban pencingan lang da ikong Rebecca Karsaitiang, Dr. PK Swer, Dr. CM Poshna, Dr. Dirani, bat kiwe ki staff nurse jong ke Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpo. Na kaliang u Dr. PN Khan Medical Superintendent ke Civil Hospital Nongpo, aba ajin terang ke negasni, ula pempal ke jingkemen ke bakrau, ba ula yolat banyadan benta bat ki staff nurse ke jing Rakhe, ya kesni ke bekerpang jongki. Bat ulu angru bagakam nurse, kadai ke wen ki kam ke bahab ban mat ki babon ki jing bat ke longru ke kam ke bakordor bat ke baro ki pat ba ki burom. Ula airu ke jing kublai ke bekerpang sabarok ki nong tray jong ke tenat ke kot ke kya, ya ke kam ke bagi la tray met bat mensiam, kam tam hang ni arsnem ki belalet ha ke por bon shop ke klam COVID-19.
2020 was designated as the Year of the Nurse and Midwife by the WHO to commemorate the 200th birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. We started the year with a candlelight walk within the units and institutions. Nurses across the state participated in this program with enthusiasm, supported by the medical doctors, the paramedicals, as well as the administrative staff of the different institutions. This program was a reminder to the members of the life history of Florence Nightingale, her sacrifices and her notable contributions towards the upliftment of the status of the nursing profession. Words of love beyond